Subtraction trick by 5. Simply add the ones digit to 5. 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 5, 7, 3 plus 5, 8, 4 plus 5, 9. Subtraction trick by 6. 6 is 4 less than 10, so we add 4 to the ones digit. So 1 plus 4, 5, 3 plus 4, 7, 5 plus 4, 9, 7 plus 4, 11. Subtraction trick by 7. 7 is 3 less than 10, so we add 3 to the ones digit. 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 3, 6, 15. So we add 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 3, 9. Subtraction trick by 8. 8 is 2 less than 10, so we add 2 to the ones digit. 2 plus 2, 4. 14 minus 8, add 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 15 minus 8, add 2 to 5. So that is 7. 17 minus 8, add 2 to 7. That is 9. 19 minus 8, add 2 to 9. That is 11. Subtraction trick by 9. Simply add the digits 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 5, 6, 1 plus 7, 8, 1 plus 8, 9. Let's remember the tens complement, which was used in this trick. So 5 plus 5, that is equal to 10. That's why we added 5 to the ones digit. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So we added 4 to the ones digit if we subtract 6. 7 plus 3 equals 10. That's why we added 3 when we are subtracting 7. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we added 2 to the ones digit when subtracting with 8. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we always add 1 to the ones digit.